Introducing the Learn Center, the Lyons Educan Area Resource Network, a partnership between Educan, its member institution Pratt Community College, and the Lyons, Kansas Unified School District. This innovative program has the power to change education in Kansas by targeting 3 distinct populations and supports the goals of the Gates Foundation's Next Generation Learning Challenge. By offering dual and concurrent enrollment to traditional students, by providing adult students without a high school diploma the opportunity to matriculate, and by expanding the access to an enriched STEM curriculum for rural high school students, we will increase the number of college graduates while enhancing the quality of affordable education. The first component of the program will allow students enrolled at the Lyons Virtual Academy to earn a high school diploma and an associate's degree from Pratt Community College, thereby significantly reducing both the time and expense of obtaining a 4-year degree. The second component will target adults who are looking to earn or who need to complete their high school diploma. Benefiting from dual and concurrent enrollment, they can earn credits toward an associate's degree or an industry-recognized credential. The third component of the program will target students enrolled in rural secondary schools that have limited access to rigorous course offerings in math, science, and language classes because of geographic challenges. This program will expand access to quality online classes across a broad geographic area, ultimately increasing the number of students who will apply to, enroll in, and graduate from college. This supported online model is mastery-based, utilizes digitally embedded content that eliminates the need for costly textbooks, and is highly scalable. More importantly, because the program provides technology-enabled instruction and assessment, it has the potential to deliver measurable outcomes utilizing limited resources.